Why don't you earn thousands of dollars in a day trading? That's because you don't have an effective trading strategy. Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and over the past week I have earned about $45,000 in trading, and today I will show you how to do it. Do you dream of making as much money from trading as I do? Join my Telegram channel where I share useful tips and information about trading to help achieve financial growth. Still interested? Let's go! My discovery of a miracle combination of indicators helped me earn thousands of dollars in trading. Demarker and Sentiment work perfectly together and help to open a deal correctly. Demarker shows the trend movement on the chart by crossing the lines. Sentiment shows the flexibility of the chart and the strength of the trend. Let me show you an example to make it easier for you. And now about the settings. I turn on the Heikin Ashi candles, set the interval to 30 minutes and the transaction time to 30 seconds. We will be trading on the Euro Composite Index and we are starting. I will start today with the amount of $50. It's from this amount that we will make a big profit. We look at the chart and analyze the situation. I already see the beginning of a general upward trend and weak flexibility of the chart, which means the trend will be long, and this is our signal to increase. We open a deal and wait. Here our first transaction is being completed and the balance is added to the amount of $96. We will not stop here and move on. It's time for the second trade for today. I can already see the beginning of a downward trend on the chart. The indicator lines intersect in a decline. I open a downward trade and wait for a profit. By the way, I trade on the Alum Trade platform. I had no problems here. Fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and verified profits. Join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and up-to-date information for successful trading. The second transaction is being completed and the balance is $186. Let's move on. Do you see, guys? And I see on the chart a sharp reversal of the chart in the beginning of a general and confident downward trend. There are small adjustments, but they are not dangerous. I will not miss the chance of opening a deal for a reduction. So the deal is over and the balance is already $359. Let's move on to the final deal. Here is the final deal for today. We will have it for the entire balance. Now let's move on to the analyzing the chart. I see big adjustments and the start of the index upward movement. I will take a chance and open a deal for a rise. And the deal was completed successfully. 4 deals in a row and there is profit. The deal was completed successfully, so we see 4 deals in a row. And we see our profit. Isn't this a miracle? The balance is already $693. Friends, the video is coming to an end. Please like and follow the new videos on my channel. Do not miss your chance to earn. By the way, if you still have doubts, take a look at the reviews of my subscribers in the Telegram channel. It's really simple. See for yourself by clicking on the link in the description and join me. Let's make money trading together. I'm always ready to help and share my strategies. See you in my Telegram channel.